Okay, so family, listen. This is why some of y'all's grandmama, okay, is tearing your family up, okay, because they messy as hell. So somebody here could be speaking over your passed on grandmother, and talking about you, divine feminine, and your grandmama being the witch of the family, okay? And they always talking about this, and so now your grandmama spinning the block and saying, okay, see, since you want to always have my name in your some of y'all got a grandmama, she's not playing around, okay? That's why she passed you the torch, because she knew that you had the backbone and you can handle the assignment, okay? And that could be why this aunt wants to rival with you, because she really is upset because you have the gifts and she wants them, okay? So now y'all got this messy ass family, and your grandmama saying, child, please, you need to sit down somewhere because I will air out all your dirty laundry, okay? And I feel like during this Mercury retrograde, that could be what she's doing. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Child. Yeah, grandmama airing out the dirty laundry here with this messy ass family. All right, y'all, let's get into it. I heard, baby, I've been to every table that you've been sitting, and you've just been doing a whole bunch of this. Mm. Okay. Beloved ancestral spirit guides, to the Most High God, I call on Archangel Michael for protection. Anybody sending anything physically, mentally, emotionally, or spiritually, please black and blind them. I call back our energy and send theirs back for forgiveness in all forms to the universe at this time. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the Most High God. Because you're getting information from this grandmother that other people in the family had no clue about, okay? Whoever she's exposing. This, okay, so this could be like her sister, this could be her aunt, your aunt, somebody's mama, something, okay? Ooh, child, I told y'all better quit playing with these spirits, okay? Because, baby, when they spin the block, you that listen, whenever they come and dropping gems, mm, 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 mm. Tell me about grandmama coming and airing out the secrets here. Somebody gonna lose status in the community. Yeah. This occult leader is coming after this woman. The whole time, some of y'all's family member could have been a part of some kind of occult, and this grandmama knew it. Yeah. Sneaky Link wants to rush in. Divine Feminine Third Eye is blocked. Yeah. Baby, somebody got all kind of secrets over here, and somebody grandmama coming to air them out. Mm-hmm. Trying to sneak away from this occult. Oh, okay. So this family member trying to sneak away from this occult, and your grandmama saying, "Whoa, come on, get back over here." Now you finna tell everybody how you been a part of this. Yeah. Ooh. Divine Feminine, you overcome a lot that was done behind the scenes. Mm-hmm. What's it? You could have been in a domestic violence situation, and this is being revealed, and whoever this family member is, they could have been saying, oh, they're lying, this didn't happen, that didn't happen, and they work with this occult and things like this to try to cover up the abuse. Yeah, fire sign, you cause the tower. Mm-hmm. There's a visitor popping up on somebody's baby's father. Uh-huh. Possibly at this person's business, shop owner, working class, maybe at their job. Because there's an injustice that's been overturned. Look, this karmic woman just knew that she could defeat you, divine feminine, but the beloved ancestors pulled up. Game over. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, somebody, grandmama is pulling up. They was warned to stop playing with you. Yeah, it's gonna be very significant. It's like, child, listen, you was told to chill, like, but you didn't want to. Yeah. Some of y'all, okay, this is gonna sound real weird, but this is your baby's father's grandmother that is pulling up and protecting you. Oh wow. Because she seen what they was doing to you and she knew that they was in this occult or group or bullies or whatever. Okay. She said, "No, say it clearly. They was a part of the occult." Yes, ma'am. Okay. And she knew what they was doing to you. And now she's coming to air all the business out because somebody thinks it's cute to do something here. Okay. They had people coming in toward you. That they knew to say hello. High priestess. To try to have some kind of access to you. And somebody couldn't confuse you. You trusted your your passed on loved one here to help you. Somebody getting karma now. Something about the distant future and your occupation. Yeah, she's protecting your future here. That's exactly what this is. Because somebody here was trying to intervene or interfere with something here, and she's not letting this happen. Yeah, that's going to be very significant. Hmm. Okay, just FYI, somebody don't know. Okay, there could be a baby father here. He doesn't know his mother was his grandmother or mother was the witch of the family, and he's sitting over here and like there's a lot of things he notices that you do that his own mama or grandmama has done or does, and he's like putting two to two together and saying, "Whoa, hold on, yeah, somebody could be having an awakening about this as well." The lovers, yeah, because somebody be trying to blind him with these illusions, yeah, and keep him tied up. Yeah, that's why you said you don't want to reconcile because it's like, okay, don't be judging me. Shit. If you only knew what such and such does over there, okay, listen, that's a cult behavior. I ain't got, I mean, what you want me to say? Like, hold on. But somebody has been a part of the occult the whole time here, okay? I cannot, karmic family, and they trying to get a new beginning. Ooh, child, listen now. And they trying to blind everybody, okay? With my eyes itching to the fact that they're trying to move away from these people and they can't. They're binded to them. There's some kind of contract, some kind of oath they took, okay? Something here, and yeah. There's a lot of illusions here with the moon. I'm telling you. They be doing that magic, taking a leap of faith, and now everything is coming to light, and it's like, whoa, hold on. Now somebody wants to leave this out in the cold. Yeah, because like I said, somebody grandmama coming to air all this mess out. Could be a Queen of Pentacles sitting sideways. Or this is how they're trying to have you sitting sideways, okay? Not knowing, you know, what you're going to do and shit like this. And she's coming in to help protect your occupation and everything else. Yeah. Yeah, somebody can't come in and ruin somebody. You could be a business owner. This could have a lot to do with your business. And this grandmother is coming through, okay, is protecting you. You got 4 opportunities coming. And she keeps enlightening you, High Priestess. Yeah. And like I said, this could be your grandmother, your mama's grandmother, your daddy's grandmother. Okay, somebody. Or this could be your baby's father's grandmother coming in. And she airing this thing out. She like, hold up, what? No, you finna tell all the truth. What's going on? Yeah, you finna tell how you been working with these people over here. Yeah, how you been connected to them. Baby, I said y'all went over here playing with them spirits. Y'all shouldn't have done that, okay? Message, community. Yeah. Some of y'all's grandmother could have been well known in the community. There's a message of concern coming through here. That you were somebody's granddaughter. Okay? And somebody here, they courtship, okay? Sideways, like somebody tried to do something. Now somebody got the message of concern that you such and such as granddaughter, and somebody's like, hold up, what? I didn't know that was such and such, because somebody don't know your history. Okay. Something about the address, the house. It's about to be a change of residence here too. Somebody got some bad health. Or when somebody had bad health, you was maybe living with them and you end up moving and changing residence, okay? There were some strict instructions given to some family members and they didn't follow this. That's another reason why this grandmother is airing some things out as well, okay? Yeah, these people going to prison and she finna make sure of it, okay? All right, y'all, that's what I got for you. I want to send everybody some love, light, and healing. Take care of yourself, okay? Peace.